Some of you are ollieing, and you didn't even know.
Oh! Because I can ollie, baby! I can ollie! Holy moly!
All right, guys, we're here today with,
Charlie from London.
and he's gonna,
Ollie.
are you gonna actually?
First try.
You gotta actually learn how to ollie.
Well,
He doesn't think.
this is down to you. This is a testament to are you a good teacher or not?
Literally.
It's not to do with my ability.
So he's been saying all day, you cannot teach me to ollie. There's
That's
no way I will learn how to ollie.
Well, I tried for months as a kid, so
He's tried for months as a kid. So, but what's the definition of an ollie?
airtime.
Yeah,
The board has to come off the ground,
yep,
all 4 wheels.
correct. So the second all 4 wheels come off and you land, ollie.
Yeah, and you land.
And you land.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
we're
if I
gonna-
pop the board off and then I don't land, that's a nothing.
That is correct.
Yeah.
You are good. It's not your first time here on the board, I can tell. Okay, so you're gonna stand like this,
Oh yeah, casual little trick.
and you're going to bend your knees, and you're gonna have your back foot there. That earlier piece that you did with the kick turns,
Yeah.
now we're gonna take it to this. You ready? You're just gonna lift up to the point where the tail hits the ground.
Okay,
That's it.
that's it.
That's it. So that's step 1. We call this step 1.
That's phase 1.
Phase 1.
How many phases are there?
3, really.
3, that's it.
That's it, mate. In 3 phases, you can learn how to ollie, mate. And then after this, we're gonna get in the Waymo.
Do you think anyone can ollie?
Anyone can ollie.
What's the youngest person you've ever seen ollie?
Oh, 3.
Actually?
Yeah,
What's the oldest person you've ever seen ollie?
68.
Was that made up?
No,
Okay.
it's not made up. Weight centered, foot up. Bend this knee up into the air. Bend this knee up.
Okay, wait.
Here, hold on to me.
What is going on?
Okay, lift that knee up. That's it. Now do it again. Do it again. He is the most like,
Holy moly!
he's like Stretch Armstrong on meth.
Holy moly! This is tough. Wait, hang on. Do I push down with my right or lift up with my left? Or the
Lift
same?
up with your left. Just lift up.
Oh, just lift up.
I mean, you can think of it as pushing down, I guess. There you go. That's it. Why is that so hard? That was it.
You know what I had to do?
What?
I had to get outside of myself.
Good.
You know,
look out.
I had to like, wait.
Good. Do it again.
Okay.
Now, this is step 1, so we're gonna do that.
But I need to master that, don't I?
Yes, you need to master that. 1, we're gonna do it 5 times.
So I should be able to do it, what, 5 times stationary?
Yeah,
In a row?
yeah.
Okay. Boom.
2, good, again.
Boom.
3, good, again.
Boom.
4, good, he's getting
Come
better.
on, come on. Boom.
5, okay, so if you were learning how to skate and you just did that every day, 10 minutes a day, you would get better.
It's
But
like my foot is absolutely cramping up.
I know, I noticed that because you need to be on the ball, like there, right?
Yeah.
Then you have more control as well.
Okay.
Like almost always skateboarding, I'm on the balls of my feet.
Does that mean half your foot's off the back of the board?
Off the back or up, yeah.
Okay.
Like when you play basketball, you don't like run like this, and then you don't jump like this. You jump from the ball of your foot. Same on skateboarding.
Oh, it's not flat-footed.
It's not flat-footed.
Okay.
You're on the ball. Okay, good. I think we got that step. I would consider that mastered.
Mastered. Okay, so what's next?
Okay, step 2.
Let me guess, the foot drag. That I can do. Oh, but I've just stained my board.
Good, keep staining your board. Good, now what's interesting here is you see what part of your toe, put your foot flat like that,
Yeah.
like but flat.
Flat like that?
Yeah, you're dragging here, you're in kickflip land. Ollie lands over here.
Side of my foot.
Yeah,
Oh.
because see, when you were growing up, you kept trying to kickflip and you got all off kilter. You can really see mine. So on my shoe, you can see the marks. Kickflip, ollie. Ollie is right here.
But yours isn't even on the rubber, it's on the actual...
Yeah,
I can't move my ankle like that.
it's just because my rubber's more worn down, so I've moved to the...
No. Look at your foot compared to mine. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
It's like a ballerina.
Yeah?
Look at mine. It's like, I can't... Mine's like, my ankle. I think do you do like flexibility exercises? Could you add that into your course?
I can't add that into the course.
Do you see, my foot doesn't roll like yours.
Yeah, This is because I practiced this so many times. That's why this step in particularly, sometimes I tell kids, if you're gonna sit down and watch a movie, just sit there and do this while you watch the movie. And your ankle's gonna stretch, it's gonna be used to that motion.
So this is like Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah, Mr. Miyagi.
It's like cleaning
wax
the windows.
on,
Yeah.
wax off. But you get that motion. Now the other thing I want you to be aware of is you feel how your knee is going.
Yeah.
It's going in this. Now, when we actually do the ollie, kick my hand.
Yeah.
Do it again. You're gonna go kind of like up and out like that. So all an ollie is just the timing between now 1 and 2. Like literally.
I thought you said there was 3 steps.
Yeah, that's step 3. That's
what?
Timing between 1 and 2.
That's not even a step. That's just saying there's 2 steps, you have to do them together.
It's true, it's true.
I thought you said in the last video there was 10 steps to the ollie.
No, earlier than the ollie, there's 10 things that you can do to practice to get ready. That's why I say even this is quite hard.
So this is like I'm skipping. If I can't do this,
you need to go back.
Then I need to go back.
100%.
This is like the fast track version.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fast track version, because you think I can't teach you to ollie in 1 day. Okay, so put your foot on there.
It's not 1 day. It's less than an hour.
Yeah, in less than an hour. We don't even need an hour. You're gonna put your foot there.
Yeah.
Ball of your foot. And you're going to jump off the board and you're going to do 1 and 2.
Oh, it looks so easy.
It is so easy, so easy. 1 and then 2, just the pop and then the drag. Just try it. I just want to see what happens when you try.
Yeah. First try.
Okay, literally did an ollie.
No, I don't think it came off the ground.
Do it again. I'll slow-mo because I knew this was gonna happen.
No, don't put the pressure on. It's too much to handle.
Go.
Oh, you see? There's the pressure.
Okay, do it again.
Okay. Did that get airbound? Not quite.
Do it again and land it. Stay, bend knees bent and land.
Wait.
Come on, don't be a chicken. Keep your on.
You're gonna make me fall so hard. Oh, that was such an anticlimax. Get away.
Yeah, get that out of here. Why did I stop the camera? Do an ollie now. I bet you got it. And mine's a smooth ride too. This is pristine. You ready?
Yeah.
You got it.
Close.
More drag.
More drag?
Yeah.
No. That was no drag.
Your
Okay,
timing,
wait.
Your timing on that earlier one was good.
Okay, wait. Oh, not off the ground. I look like a rookie. Oh!
What? That's an ollie! What? If he would have fell right there, it would have been the greatest thing ever.
That was an ollie!
That was an ollie!
Holy moly!
I told you! Is it really that hard?
No!
It's not that hard.
No, but that was, I didn't even think I actually ollied.
I know.
So do you think people are ollieing without realizing they're ollieing?
I guess everybody's
Hot
different.
take.
Hot take. Some of you are ollieing and you didn't even know.
No, but the wheel was
a good like 3 inches.
Whereas it felt like there was a wheel still on the ground.
It wasn't. Yeah, not at all. So, but now you got it. You got the pop, drag.
Now I'm gonna get some mega air. Watch this.
Yeah.
Absolute Bob Burnquist, Tony Hawk, eat your heart out. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Almost.
Don't land with your feet close though.
Is that what's dangerous?
Yeah, because you're almost going like if you land like that, then you're like whoop.
So I have to keep my left foot out.
Yeah. Honestly, the thing that'll get your board higher. Well, I'll go your stance. So you're popping, and then you drag more because your board kind of pops like this, right?
Yeah.
Which means if you were to level this out, it would go that high.
Yeah. I feel like I'm barely dragging at all.
Yeah. So increase that drag.
Okay.
So you see how we literally would go back to practice step 1 and 2, more drag, and then ollie higher.
Like this.
Yeah.
I didn't drag at all there.
Your timing is quite good though. Yeah. You didn't drag at all, that's true.
Oh, so good.
Was that off?
Yeah, I think so. We're gonna watch and analyze. So in this one, I would say you didn't quite, your drag was a little bit too late almost.
It looks quite good when you're just looking at my legs.
Yeah, legendary.
Oh! Oh! That's a second ollie.
I think you've probably done 5 at this point.
No.
Yeah. Okay, dude.
That's fully off the ground.
Yeah.
So here's a hack for the kids out there.
Yeah.
You don't need to drag your foot.
Okay.
You can actually
It's
do
true.
a basic level ollie and
It is
get your
true.
board off the ground without doing the full-on drag.
This
'Cause
is
you
very
see-
true. Yes, you can literally just go.
Yeah, exactly.
It's true. That's true. That's your first ollie. And now you
So
want to
there's-
get that higher.
There's a baby ollie that exists.
100% baby ollie.
I've unlocked a new trick. I think this is going to help millions of kids out
It
there.
literally will. You have no idea. Bro, that was legendary. Now stay on there and land it.
Okay, okay.
So
Bro.
good.
We're taking that. We're taking that.
No, stay on there.
I was off the ground.
I know, but you can land it. He's literally only been skating for like 10 minutes.
Holy mackerel. That's 10 million views on TikTok.
Yeah, literally.
But I need to stay on.
Yeah, you need to stay on.
I've actually got a bit of a bad back developing.
Okay, that's good. That's a good start. Welcome to skateboarding.
Woo!
Was it off?
We'll find out. That looked off to me. Did
Was it
you
off?
get it?
Go again. Keep going.
That's 10-second rule.
Yeah, that was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, now you're good. You're legend.
Okay. Ah! The balance is quite hard afterwards
Bend your knees.
when I'm landing.
Yes, and then keep them bent. Just do the exact same thing, but really bend your knees when you land.
That was it.
That was off.
I think so. Did you get it, Aaron?
Yeah, but I want to show him. I want him to do it. Keep going.
Okay.
I'm still on the board.
Every try.
Awesome. You're landing them every time.
Was that off? Show me. I need to see that. Oh! Oh! Wait, did I do 2 in a row?
Yeah, 2 in a row.
Show me the next one.
Your foot, it's like a ballerina. Do you stretch it out?
Yeah, we've discovered new things for your course today.
Yeah, literal. This is why it's good for me to
Up. Oh, it goes. Oh, that was a real baby ollie.
yeah, but it still
tail
was,
only
wasn't
just, The tail only just made it off.
it? So now, work on the feet more further apart. I want to take your ollie to the next level. So you're gonna stand here.
Next level.
Yeah.
Mate, I'm happy to have just landed one. In fact, I've landed 5.
You have landed 5. So wait, do you still think I can't teach you how to ollie?
No, because I can ollie, baby.
That's
I can ollie.
Let's-
I'm basically a skateboarder now.
Basically.
I could call myself a skateboarder.
Yeah,
After only 1 hour practice.
literal. Okay, stand on here, and you're gonna kick my foot again. I'm gonna over-exaggerate the motion
Okay.
to try and get you to go from going this much drag to like this much. But I'm gonna have you drag like, yeah, kick my hand.
Okay.
Come on, hard. Yeah. Okay, now ollie.
Wait. The drag is still hard. Even in my ollies, I don't feel like I'm dragging.
Think of it like this, your knee going that way.
That way. Okay.
Oh, that was
Bro, I should have been filming that!
Put that in the slow-mo as the course material.
Okay, so it's true, you can do an ollie where you're just lifting your foot up and you just pop it, right? And that's like this. I should do a like super slow-mo of that.
Yeah,
Right?
That's kind of what I was doing.
Right, and now we're gonna take it where my front foot is gonna push forward on it.
Okay. Oh! Absolute beast. You're getting like over a foot of air.
Yeah, and you can get over a foot of air too. Your board is high enough.
Yeah, the
it's
front.
just the motion of your front foot. And you're weightless, you're in the air. But it's also like, Chloe likes this tip, she calls it the gallop, where your feet are kind of like this, off the board. I want to give everybody as many tips as possible because we want you guys to ollie. And then you do that on the board, but you're lifting it up, push that front foot forward.
Whoa! I would say that's almost 2 feet in the air. Honestly, because you're higher than your knees.
Now you
No.
do an ollie.
No, I'm cooked, bro. I'm absolutely.
Okay,
I'm flaming.
but you got an ollie.
I'm flaming. Stay up, they flaming you. That's what the kids are saying.
Okay, good, you got it then.
I got it.
You don't want one more for the road. One more for Kate.
Okay, but cut this out. I don't want to end on a low.
No, okay, that's the other thing. When you do your 10 minutes of skating every day, or you skate every session, you have to end on a win. So if you tried this and you were
Yeah,
like,
but
oh,
I feel like I'm there already.
all right, well, just take it then.
What if I do it now and I mess it up?
Then you
I have to keep going
do it
until
until you get a win.
No.
But you can do
No,
that.
dude, I'm so happy. I've ollied like 5 times.
Okay, good job.
I've absolutely nailed it. The board came way off the ground.
It's true, it's true. All right, well, we made this video to teach you that anyone can learn how to ollie. Charlie's proof.
And how long was it legit?
Well, we've been filming this video teaching you how to ollie for guess how long?
20 minutes.
21 minutes.
And
That's
then maybe
it.
we were 40 minutes on the board. So it's about an hour
Yeah.
from never skated before or since I was 13.
Yeah. And I would recommend for people just starting that you spend more time just pushing. Like learn to push and ride your board for a week or 2 weeks. But it's like you said, you're kind of like, I'm ready for the next thing.
But you can legit learn to ollie in 60 minutes.
You can legit learn to ollie in 60 minutes. You can. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.